Hello everyone, today we are going to discuss about Java variables with examples. What is Java variable or what is a variable? A variable is a container that holds data. Means it is like a box which stores the data. Each variable has data type. What kind of data it can store? Name, identifier for the variable. Value, actual data stored. Example, int number of pages is equal to 100. Int is a data type, means what type of value is stored in the variable. Number of pages is equal to variable name. Through this name only we can access and modify the data. And 100 is value. Changing values. We can change the value of the data using that variable name. Number of pages is equal to 200. Now number of pages holds 200 instead of 100. Types of variables. Local variables declared inside method, constructors, blocks. These are accessible and modified within the scope or within that block only. Instance variables declared inside a class but outside method, belong to each object. Whenever we create the object of that class, that each object has the own copy of these variables. Static variables declared within static keyword. Declared with static keyword, belong to the class, shared by all objects. There is no multiple copy of static variables. There is a single copy. That single copy is shared within all objects. We can understand through library analogy. Local variables. Bookmark of a visitor. It is temporary per use. Instance variables. Pages in a book. For each book has its own page number. Static variable, library address. For each visitor, the address is same. It does not change. Same for all books. Categories of variables. Primitive data types. It is a types of data types. Byte, short, int, long, float, double, char, boolean. These are primitive data types. And reference data types are class or object, string, array. Summary. Variables are data containers in Java. Must be declared with the data type. There are three types of variables: local, instance, static. Two categories of data types are primitive and reference data types. Thank you. Subscribe for more.